Just want to give a shout out to Micky the African Lion Bell-Roberts. He is a homesteader and a fixture in the community, and he's had some recent health issues, and wanted to give him some support. He is very appreciative for any prayers that you would like to, say on his behalf as he recuperates. Wanted to try to lift his spirit. Several other people are already doing various things, shout outs and so forth. I wanted to create, and I did create, a playlist. You will see some of his, the type of videos that he does. Gardening, he does cooking. You will not be disappointed. So if you get a chance, check out the playlist that I created on my channel. Just go under the playlist tab. It does not include all of his videos, but there are some there to get you started. But it will be a great boost to go over and to show him some support from the community. Thank you.